Good evening to all are fine. Welcome to Cambridge Biology. Today we talk about Turner syndrome. Yes. If we talk about Turner syndrome, it is identified by Henry H. Turner in the year of 1938. Okay. According to the name of the Turner, it is called Turner syndrome. Okay. It is a allosomal disorder. You know allosomal disorder? Okay, try to guess, my dear. Allosome means what? You know already. That is which chromosome? Sex chromosome. It is due to, it is a which one? It is a allosomal disorder. Disorder due to which one? Sex chromosome. Okay, right? It is due to loss of one X chromosome. Loss of one X chromosome from female. This disorder is found in case of female and it is due to loss of one X chromosome. Try to understand. In case of normal female, 44 plus XX chromosomes is found. Okay, here which one? One X chromosome is lost. That means 44 plus X0. Okay, so in this disorder, chromosome number is how much? 44 plus 1, that is 45 instead of 46. In case of normal, 46 chromosomes are found, but those are going with Turner syndrome. In them, 45 chromosomes are found. Okay, try to understand the next part. If we talk about the karyotype, मतलब arrangement of autosome and allosome, that is okay. 44 plus 0 X0. It is the karyotype of which syndrome? This person going with Turner syndrome. Okay. And try to guess next point. Here only one sex chromosome is found instead of two. So it is due to monosomy of X chromosome. Okay, it is due to monosomy of X chromosomes. Okay, X chromosome. Try to guess my, it is which one? Monosomy, matlab single chromosome is found. Okay, it is due to monosomy of which chromosome? X chromosome. Okay, if we take now the next one, try to understand, my dears. The next points. Try to understand. Yes. This is which one? Try. Let us focus on we are taking on the next part. This is a female. Okay, try to guess mine. This is male. In case of normal female, chromosome number is 44 plus XX, you know. Try to guess, my dear. In case of male, chromosome number is 44 plus XY. Agree? Normal male. Try to guess, my dear. It reproduce 22 during gamete production. Which one? Meiosis occurs. Try to focus, my dear. In this side X, right? Again this side 22, here 22 plus here X and Y. Both the sex chromosomes X and Y enters to one side. Okay, and try to guess, my dear, which one? This side 0. Matlab which one? During crossing over, X chromosome is not separated from Y chromosome. Yes, they are one. Enters to one gamete. So this is which meiosis? Abnormal meiosis. Try to guess, my dear. This is which meiosis? Abnormal meiosis. Okay, here which one? 24 chromosomes are found in one gamete. Here 22 chromosome numbers are which one? 22 chromosomes are found in one gamete. So it is which meiosis? Abnormal meiosis. That means is male. And what is this? Abnormal sperms. Okay, try to guess, my dear. Here this is which one? 23 and this is 23. So these are called which one? Normal female. From there coming, you can call it normal ovum. Yes, try to guess, my dear. If this one combines with this. 22 matlab 44 plus x0. Clear? Try to guess my idea. This is called Turner syndrome. Okay? Try to guess my idea. I can write. When a normal ovum, that is 22 plus x, combines with a abnormal sperm, that is 22 plus 0, then it produces Turner syndrome. Okay, I can write. This is parent, this is which one? Ovum, and sperm means gamete, and this is F1. Right. When a normal ovum, that is 22 plus x, combines with a abnormal sperm, that is 22 plus 0. This one, 22 plus 0. Then it produces Turner's syndrome. Then it produces which syndrome? Turner's syndrome. This is clear. Okay, when a normal ovum, that is 22 plus x, combined with a abnormal sperm, that is 22 plus 0, it produces 44 plus x0, that is which syndrome? Turner syndrome. 44 plus x0. Agree? So this is an important point. Clear? This is the next one. You better go on the next one. Try to understand. Okay. If you take on the next one. This is female. And here now which one? Meiosis, abnormal meiosis occurs in case of females. To this side 22, to this side 22. Which one? Here during meiosis, one X chromosome is, or the which one? The two X chromosomes do not separate out. The two X chromosomes do not separate out. Matlab they do not separate out means the two sex chromosomes or X chromosomes enter into one gamete or one ovum, right? That means to this side there is no sex chromosome enters, that is this is 44 plus 0. Clear? And here in case of male, normal meiosis occurs 22 to this side X, to this side Y. Okay? And try to guess my dear, when this ovum, this is which one? Abnormal ovum. This is abnormal ovum, that is 22 plus 0, and try to guess my dear, that will combine with this one. That is 44 plus x0. This is abnormal ovum because it contains 22 chromosomes. And try to guess my dear, these are normal sperm 23 and 23. Okay, right? So we can write when a abnormal ovum, that is 22 plus 0, combines with a normal sperm, that is 22 plus x, it produce, what is that? Turner's syndrome. So we can write when a abnormal ovum, in bracket 22 plus 0, combines with a normal sperm, in bracket 22 plus x, then it produce Turner's syndrome, that is 44 plus x0, that is 44 plus x0. Clear? So this is the basic fundamental about which one? Turner syndrome. Okay, we will add next in another points. Try to understand. Clear? The next one. It is due to It is due to, these are which one? Abnormal ovum, means these are abnormal gametes. And these abnormal gametes are coming out because of what? Abnormal meiosis. Which meiosis? Abnormal meiosis. In normal meiosis, all chromosomes should separate out. This which one? In normal meiosis, here which one? Try to understand. You can understand here. Here one X chromosome comes here and another sex chromosome comes here. This is normal. Here out of that 44, here 22, here 22. This is normal meiosis. But here, try to get minded which one? In one side, 24 chromosomes enters and to another side, 22 chromosomes enters. That means it is which one? Abnormal meiosis. So try to get minded. The Turner syndrome is coming out because of non-disjunction. It is coming out. It is coming out because of abnormal meiosis. Okay, it is coming out because of which meiosis? Abnormal meiosis. That is, abnormal gametes produce and which causes, which forms Turner syndrome. If we simplify that, which one? It is due to production of abnormal gametes. It is due to production of which gametes? Abnormal gametes by abnormal meiosis. Clear? So another extra point. Try to guess what is due to abnormal gametes produced by abnormal which is meiosis. Clear? Try to guess what is the next one. Next point. It is due to non-disjunction. This X chromosome unable to separate from this. It is due to non-disjunction of non-disjunction. It is due to non-disjunction of sex chromosomes. Which chromosomes? Non-disjunction of sex chromosomes. It is due to non-disjunction of sex chromosomes during gamete production. It is due to non-disjunction of sex chromosome. This sex chromosome is unable to separate from this. That means it is due to non-disjunction of which chromosomes? Sex chromosome during which production? Gamete production. Clear? So this is the basic fundamental about Turner syndrome. Okay, if we are adding another point, next one. What are the next points? Right? In case of normal female, right? In normal female, one bar body is found. One bar body is found. In case of normal female, one bar body is found. You know bar body? Number of bar body is equal to number of X chromosome minus 1. Number of bar body is equal to number of X chromosome minus 1. In case of normal female, 2n is equal to normal female, 2n is equal to 44 plus XX. That means number of X chromosome is 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 is the number of bar body in normal female. One bar body found in case of normal female. But try to focus minor. Those females going with Turner syndrome, 44, the Turner syndrome chromosome number is 44 plus X0. And try to focus minor. Okay, 1, number of X chromosome 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Those persons going with Turner syndrome do not have bar body. Okay, try to guess one. This is important point. Those persons going with which syndrome? Turner syndrome, they don't have which body? Bar body. No bar body. One important question comes. Which females do not contain bar body? The answer is those people going with Lewis syndrome, Turner syndrome, they do not have which body? Bar body. Clear? 100% guys. So this is the basic idea about Turner syndrome. Okay. Out of every 3000 bars, okay, one in every 3000 bars affected with Turner's syndrome. Okay, one in every 3000 bars. Okay, one in every 3000 bars affected with syndrome, Turner syndrome. Okay, now we talk about what are the symptoms. Those are going with Turner syndrome. First one, we can call that symptoms. The first, they have underdeveloped ovary. The ovary is not properly developed due to lack of one X chromosome. Yes, they have underdeveloped ovary. The first. Second, they have underdeveloped uterus. The uterus is also small in size. Okay, next one. Menstrual cycle is not found. Okay, these females do not menstruate, matlab no menstruation cycle found in case of these females. They have underdeveloped mammary gland. These mammary glands are basically which are small in size in case of these females which are going with Turner syndrome. Okay, right? Waved neck. You know neck. This is which one? This is small in size and folded. We can call that waved neck. Clear? If it is the next one, these are small in stature. Okay, try to focus. So that means these are small in height. Okay, the height is nearly about 4.8 inches. Okay, 4 feet and 8 inches. Nearly about 4 feet and 8 inches. Okay, so small in stature. Clear? The next one. These are sterile females. These are sterile females. Matlab they are which one? They can't be pregnant. They can't be pregnant. Okay, clear? Try to focus on these are sterile females. Okay, next one. They are mentally retarded. Okay, they are mentally retarded. The brain is not functional or not well developed. Okay, the next one is low intelligence. Okay, that is which one? Low intelligence or low IQ. Clear? Try to guess, my dear. Which one? Next one, if you're talking about, they are widespread nipple. They have widespread nipple. The nipple is, the mammary gland is small, but the nipple size is large. Matlab widespread nipples. Okay, so these are the symptoms which are basically, okay, which are found in which syndrome? Turner syndrome. Clear? Okay, try to understand what are the symptoms. The first one, which one? Underdeveloped ovary, they have underdeveloped uterus, menstrual cycle is not found, they have underdeveloped mammary gland, they have webbed neck, small in which one? Stature. The next one is there are sterile females. You know, small in stature, matlab small in height. Try to guess, my dear. They are mentally retarded, low intelligence, they have widespread nipple. Clear? So, this is the basic fundamental about Turner syndrome. Okay, see you the next. Till then, bye bye.